Hello guys, if you have a problem with your dryer and the main issue is like a grindy noise, like this, this is definitely and probably these wheels, like a bearings. How to change these bearings? Do you know? I'll show you. First of all, you need to take out this cover. You have to pull out this dryer, disconnect your dryer from the electricity, just like that. After that, on the back side, you will have two screws. You can use your screwdriver and second screw. Like this. Voila! After that, you have to unscrew these screws, this and this. And this and this. Don't forget, these screws different. That's why I usually use it in different space. Okay. Okay. And the last one. Okay. Voila. Alright, after that you will have new problem like with these wires. You have to disconnect these wires from this switch, but be really careful because this metal plate is extra sharp. That's why a lot of technician guys can damage their hands and you as well. I'll show you. This switch is right here. Do you see? Okay. Voila. That's all. Okay. Right now you can see new cover for the main tap. How can we disconnect this one? You have to unscrew this and these screws and this for your vent housing. And don't forget, disconnect this. Alright, don't forget to pull it out this link trap. And it's pretty easy to remove. Voila, that's it. Okay, as you can see, this wheels is here. Yes, you can try to rotate it, swipe it, and you will see like everything's good. No shaking, nothing. Rotation as well is good. Alright, it means this wheels is good. Probably we have 3 more wheels on the back side. We have to remove this drum. To remove this drum we have to disconnect this belt from the motor and idler pulley, and after that you can easily take this out. To remove this, unfortunately it's heavy to show you. You have to go put your hand to the left side of your drum, touch your idler pulley and disconnect it. It's pretty easy if you specialist. Voila, there it is. Drum disconnected. As you can see, this is idler pulley. You have to check this one too, because sometimes it can stuck and damage your belt and make the same noise. But in this case, because I work in this field like more than 10 years, that's why I can diagnose like by my ears. It's not the problem with idler pulley, not the problem with fan motor or with motor. This is definitely problem one of this wheel. You see, it's not pretty easy to spin it, and this guy totally stuck. Alright, we have to remove some, replace to new one, and you will see what will be after that, like what kind of noise will be. Alright, let's go. Okay. Remove plastic cover, like a holder. Okay, that's it. I'll show you what it was the problem. It was really stuck and didn't spin. This wheel didn't spin. I'll show you. It should be like this. You see, it's new one, and this is old one. And these scratches and this rubber, like right now, it's like a melted because it's stuck. Okay, we can replace this shaft or just replace the wheel. Let's see what will better. You can touch this shaft and check is it good condition or not. Yeah, everything pretty fine. Alright, we have couple generations, and a lot of clients ask me like, do you have these parts at the same time, you can replace it immediately, or we have to wait parts? Sometimes we have these parts, and usually we have most popular parts, like a bestseller. Even in this case, I'll show you what's going on. You see this wheel from this dryer, but this is for new generation. And right now we have wheels for new generation. What the difference? Because this shaft, as you can see, a little bit different than previous one. And I'll show you what kind of hole inside. You see, it has special gears, it nothing. That's why we can't use new generation. We have to use old. Thanks God I have it. Let's try and check how it will be. Okay, you always have to check this wheel and the shaft. In this case, shaft is bad. I tried to replace for new wheel. As you can see, it's not fitable. That's why we have to disconnect this shaft and use new one. How these wheels should work? Like this. You see? Easy. Why usually it happens, this problem? Because a lot of lint, hairs and something else can stuck in this wheel, between wheel and this shaft. Stuck this wheel, and after that you have this problem. Nothing else. That's why every couple years please order guys like us to clean it, make maintenance, and everything will be great for a long term. And your dryer will work, I don't know, 10 years at least, maybe 20. As you can see, this is pretty dirty here. Use just regular vacuum cleaner and you will never have this problem. You will never have problem with wheels or fan motor or even heater. Nothing will be catch fire, nothing will be blocked and clogged. Alright, done. Okay, to replace this shaft, what should you do? You have to use this tool, put here and try to rotate it other clockwise. And that's it, easy. After that, help by your fingers from here, hold the nut and disconnect. Voila! Next, you should put this nut back. Voila! 5 seconds and everything almost done. Alright. What's next? Next you have to put the drum back, put the cover, door and top. And that's it. Let's check this out. Don't forget, this drum has a special side, back side and front side. Don't forget. Okay. Put this belt on the place inside the pulley. Hold the drum and don't forget the belt should be alright. I connected the belt and you see right now it's pretty solid, stable and great position. Okay. Remove old hairs and lint from these wheels and connect this door back. While you disconnect this door, you can clean this lint trap holder here, and it's pretty easy from this side. As you can see, easy to remove any dust and lint. All right. Alright, if you have any troubles with this cover, just rotate your drum and it will stay on the right position. Like this. You see? Don't forget to connect this moisture sensor. This is a very important thing. You will not see immediately, but in a couple minutes after start you will know the problem is here. Alright, we have to screw all screws back. As you can see, I put it here and I will always know where it is. Right screws for these places. Right screws for right holes. Alright. Okay. Great. Don't forget connect this connection to the switch for door. Sometimes it's pretty heavy, but you have to connect it. Okay. Put it in the same place. Let's go. 3 screws here. Okay. And 3 screws here. It looks like pretty heavy because I'm sweat, but honestly this is pretty easy, just I am a fat guy, that's why, nothing else. And we don't have any ventilation here. Alright, that's it from this side. Everything looks good. Okay, close the door and then close your top. And don't forget to screw last 2 screws. Okay, and sorry, all done. It's good and ready to go. Connect your outlet and plug in. Put your dryer to the same place. Check your vent hose. Everything's connected and try to use it. Quiet and great. Thank you so much for watching me. Have a great day. Bye bye.